Hey, this Robert. I wanted to take a few minutes and tell you about my world-class, world-famous warranty. Some people ask me when I come do some work for them, work on their car, work around their house, whatever, help them out with some stuff. Hey, Robert, how long's the warranty? I give my customers the same warranty I gave my mama. 38 minutes. Whether I'm tearing the engine apart, swapping the transmission, clutch, pressure plate, rear main seal, coolant, pipes, ABS system, exhaust work, whatever we got going on. 9 times out of 10, I have traveled to your location. And when I'm done, I'm going to say, hey, I think it's all ready to go. It's going to take me 38 minutes to load up my car and get out of there. Now, you can spend that 38 minutes chit-chatting, reminding and reminiscing about the great time we had together. Or you could take that 38 minutes and test your equipment or your car to make sure everything's going together right. Because once I leave that area, it's really no good for me to tell you and have you expecting to have some kind of warranty on that work. If I'm 800, 1200, 2200 miles away, me telling you got a warranty is pretty much of a waste of time. So, I give you the same warranty I gave my mama when I used to go to her place, fix stuff around there. 38 minutes. Once I load up that car and I'm gone, I'm out. Thanks for watching and understanding. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.